How did it go this morning? Do you have an attorney?
Thank you.
Have you had a chance to try that number for Craig's parents yet?
We love you.
Listen to what Danny said to me. No, not now, but in general. He said to me that he'll never talk to me face to face. He said he'll email me or he'll text me. He said he won't bother me. He just wants to help me with my daughter.
I'm gonna let you handle. You know why I'm looking down. What?
It's terrible. But honestly, I had some company over. I didn't think you wanted to be around my friends. I thought you wanted me all dressed up.
Your friends? Wow.
I thought you wanted me to just be with, and I didn't think you wanted to hang out with my friends.
Oh, your friends must, I don't know your friends. You know your friends, and I guess, well, you don't know enough about me, so
Okay,
I guess you're trying to...
No, I didn't. No, you're Mr. Police Officer, so some of my friends are going to feel some kind of way about that. Not everybody is,
Okay, well then...
okay with that.
Okay, then maybe you don't want me around your friends. Maybe you don't.
Whatever, Darren.
I mean, because, they weed smoking.
You did so cute. No, we weren't smoking nothing but cigarettes. We had some drinks, but that was it. But they just don't like police. I don't mind. My friends are police officers.
I keep telling you, in order for you to even remotely have a chance of getting your daughter back, there's a couple of things that you're going to have to do. Right?
I understand. But I can't have company?
No, listen. Right?
Yeah.
One, you're going to have to tell your lawyer the truth, the absolute truth, nothing but... just listen.
I know.
The absolute truth, nothing but the whole truth. And don't filter any information. There's no smoking in here.
Oh.
Just put that out. No, because we're not going out. Put it out. Put it out.
Here?
Yeah, right here. Right here. Put it out on this.
Okay.
Right, come here.
Darren.
No, because what I'm trying to tell
I'm
you...
listening to you. I just want to say that I'm
not only that, right?
I'm going to do this.
But you're a documented alcoholic, right?
Mm-hmm.
You need to attend as many Alcoholic Anonymous classes between here and there as you can to show these people that you're serious. Stop drinking. Show them that you're serious about getting better and doing what you need to do. Those are things you absolutely need to do. What?
Okay, you're right about that, but come on now. I'm grieving. I'm going through a lot of stuff. Once in a while, what's wrong with that?
We're talking about getting your child back.
Mm-hmm.
We're talking about having you stay in the country.
Do that.
Okay, but I'm trying to enlighten you on the things that you need to do to remotely give you a chance to show that you're serious, and all this grieving and melting and all the rest of this stuff.
Okay, I'm not melting, but I am grieving, but I'm not melting. And right now I have an intake at 1 o'clock for the Georgia law firm. So
It's all up to you. I'm not Danny. I'm not going to tell you or make you do what you want to do. I'm just going to suggest to you what you should do.
Be there for me.
And then do what you want to do.
And be there for me.
Okay. Well, maybe you need to be there for me, but I got to know more about you.
I know, and that's why, my life right now, it's just, the wrong time. That's why I kept telling you, remember, before I told you anything, I was just man, it's a mess. It's too much, Chapo. I kept telling you it was a mess. Telling you it was too much.
Yes, it is a mess.
And there is no way possible I could even be with anybody after I just got through going through hell with a female. I can't believe a female. I allowed a female to do.
But then why would you ask me out? Have me ask you out?
I want you to. I really do want that.
Well,
I am so attracted to you. You have no idea.
You have to figure out what you want to do.
And I actually did tell my friends about you.
What
and I said, but don't worry. I know you guys don't like cops. I was I have no problem with them at all. Most of my friends, half of them downtown are all cops.
Yeah,
also,
but I'm not a cop.
I know, but in their eyes, it don't matter. Security card, you got a badge, you got handcuffs, you're a cop. They don't know. They know, but they're stupid. They're just dumb.
Anyway.
But even my cop friends don't give a damn what you do as long as you're not, you know what I mean? You can do it in front of them, but...
Some of them.
Well...
Listen, I don't mind, I don't care. I mean, I do care. But unlike...
I know I can't take it away from you.
Unlike everybody else, honey, you can do, I'm just going to suggest. This is what I think is going to need to remotely get a chance, because you're talking about a conservative group of individuals. when you're talking about judges and lawyers and you know, people like that, especially judges, and we're talking family court, and it's not absolute proof. It's a preponderance of the evidence, what's in the best interest of the child, not the best interest of the mother. And you're talking about you were abused, yet no one can find any evidence of it. I'm not saying that you weren't, but no one can find any evidence of it.
That's not true. What they said, what they have, I just need an attorney to find out what they got, because that's a damn lie. How the hell I get taken away from my parents if nothing happened to me? I was literally removed from their home.
Listen, I don't know. I'm not here to argue those points.
I understand. So we don't know what they had. They could be black.
Yeah, but I'm not trying to get, you know, the details are for your lawyer, right? I'm just going off the facts of what you've told me.
Yeah, what they're saying.
Yeah, okay, so I'm not saying that it didn't happen or did happen. I don't know. I wasn't there. You know, I'm just telling you what they found. And when you go into a court of law, you can't argue right and wrong. The only thing you can argue is the law. Sometimes the facts are used, can be twisted this way or twisted that way, change the perception. You need to know the law. You need to
have an attorney.
Yeah, have an attorney, but you don't need to trust in your attorney wholly. You need, in my opinion, to sit up and start looking up family court law. That's what you need to do after you go deal with your probation officer. Oh, or then before then. I mean, because you got that time. Most of your time should be spent.
I'm meeting with an attorney
and okay, that's fine. I thought you'd meet with one. Listen.
No, I'm going to go do an intake right now at the Georgia law
firm.
Listen,
if I trusted my attorney when I got jammed up, I would have got jammed up. Right? I would have still been able to walk away, but I wouldn't have been able to walk away on good terms. I forced my attorney and my lawyers to do, my attorney, my court-appointed attorney, and I backed down the prosecution to some extent behind the stuff that I do and can prove, and that's what I'm saying. Trust in them to a certain extent, but also have enough information on your own to, tell him the first thing you want him to do is delay the proceeding. Is there any way we can delay the proceeding for her to be placed permanently out of my custody because you just got on this case and you need to get up to speed? Can we get a 3-month delay, a 6-month delay?
Just an appeal to stop this at this point is what I need is time.
Yes, and in that time, you need, is my suggestion, that you become a legal researcher. That you're sitting there on the computer, in the law library, when you're not working, getting that information, becoming more familiar with the more understanding of family court law, because that lawyer won't know everything. He has legal researchers, right? They're only going to spend so much. He's going off of what he knows. He may not know little obscure things. So you're going to become his legal researcher. It doesn't make any difference if he already knows. Give him the information anyway. You're going to become more familiar with the process. Same with immigration law. It's
Georgia firm. I'm going to stop by.
Okay.
I promise you on that. I promise I will stop by.
Oh, man, all these are your decisions.
I want to stop by.
I'm not
I want
going
to tell you what happened.
I'm not going crazy over your situation.
I'm going crazy.
I know. I'm just going to try to assist you. My only thing in this is I think you're beautiful. I love for you to stay. I want to know who you are. I don't, and all those things.
You know that about me.
Okay, but after that, honey, I can't do anything. So I'm going to let you do you. And I'll be around if you want me around, because I want to be around. Okay, so go do what you need to do. All right? Okay, honey.
I know you don't like public affection.
I don't mind public affection. I got my problems with you. I got my problems with you.
Yeah, I know you.
Yeah, there's all kinds of things I want to do with you, but I got to really know you well. Got to decide, got to determine that I don't lay down with people I don't want to keep. Oh, whatever, man.
Whatever me?
Oh.
So maybe you take my belt off.
Yeah, well, everything else is coming off with it. See you later, honey.